Now very important question. We have to evaluate in the general form tan x plus tan 2x plus tan 3x is equal to tan x tan 2x tan 3x. Now let this be equation 1. Tan 3x can be written as tan x plus 2x. Okay. Now using the tan a plus b formula, this becomes tan x plus tan 2x upon 1 minus tan x tan 2x. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Now if you are writing the formula side by side, means I recommended that you should write it. Why? What the reason is, if suppose we are doing 10 questions and we are writing 10 formulas just as the sake of a reason, then our memory for the formulas becomes strong. Okay. So I strongly recommend to write for each and every step, wherever formulas are, you have to apply it. Okay. Now by cross multiplying, we are having tan 3x negative of tan 3x tan 2x tan x, multiplying this by 1 and this by this term. This is equal to tan x plus tan 2x. Tan x tan 2x tan 3x, this form, first I have written this form, is equal to tan 3x tan x tan 2x, second equation. Okay. Now from 1 and 2, tan 3x minus tan x is equal to tan x plus tan 2x plus tan 3x. Now in place of this part, in equation 1, in place of this part, now I have written here and then we have compared these two. Okay. So what the result we are having now? Now this we are having 2 tan x plus 2 tan 2x is equal to 0, or tan x plus tan 2x is equal to 0. Tan 2x is equal to negative of tan x, tan 2x is equal to tan negative of x. 2x is equal to n pi plus for all values of n belongs to I. Tan x is equal to tan alpha, then x is equal to n pi plus alpha for all values of n belongs to integer. Hence, okay, we can do one more thing, we can just shift this to this side. So we are having 3x is equal to n pi for all n belongs to I, hence x is equal to 1 upon 3 n pi for all n belongs to integers. Answer.